Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Plantmanics. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for all indoor gardeners: the incredible benefits of pruning your indoor plants. If you want your plants to thrive and look their best, stick around because we've got 10 amazing reasons why pruning should be a regular part of your plant care routine. Let's get started. Pruning helps to promote healthy growth. By removing dead or yellowing leaves and spent flowers, you allow the plant to direct its energy towards new, healthy growth. Number 2, pruning prevents disease. Dead and decaying plant material can harbor pests and diseases. Regularly pruning these parts keeps your plant healthy and less susceptible to problems. Number 3, it encourages bushier growth. Pruning the tips of your plants can stimulate them to grow more branches, making them fuller and bushier. Reason 4, improves air circulation. Fourth, pruning improves air circulation. Thinning out dense foliage allows for better airflow, which reduces the risk of fungal infections and promotes overall plant health. Reason 5, shapes the plant. Number 5, it shapes the plant. Pruning allows you to control the shape and size of your plants, making them fit perfectly into your indoor space and aesthetic. Reason 6, encourages flowering. Sixth, pruning encourages flowering. By removing spent blooms, you can stimulate your plant to produce more flowers, giving you a longer and more vibrant blooming period. Reason 7, it removes unwanted growth. Sometimes plants grow in directions we don't want. Pruning helps keep your plants neat and tidy by removing these wayward branches. Reason 8, increases light penetration. Thinning out the foliage allows more light to reach the lower leaves, ensuring all parts of your plant get the light they need. Reason 9, stimulates root growth. When you prune, it sends a signal to the plant to grow stronger roots, which can improve nutrient and water uptake. And finally, number 10, keeps plants manageable. Regular pruning helps keep your indoor jungle from turning into a wild forest, making care and maintenance easier. So there you have it, 10 amazing reasons to prune your indoor plants. Not only does it keep them healthy and looking great, but it also helps them thrive in your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips. Happy pruning, everyone!